Manufacturing is all about getting things made, processed, packaged, and sent all around the world, or just around the corner. Manufacturers use technology, machinery, and tools to produce all kinds of goods, from a single screw to a fully customizable aircraft. Most of the food we eat, the clothes we wear, the cars we drive has all been made or processed by manufacturers. There are so many exciting career paths in this industry. By blending technology and innovation with creativity and problem solving, people working in the sector have a chance to work on cutting-edge projects that shape the future of the industry and even the planet. Over 26,000 people work in the nearly 2,500 Waikato manufacturing businesses, many of whom export their goods all over the world. These businesses and the people that work in them are an important piece of New Zealand's economy, an important and exciting sector that you can be part of. The latest era of manufacturing is known as Industry 4.0 or advanced manufacturing. Industry 4.0 is like the next level of manufacturing, driven by advanced technologies that make factories smarter, more efficient, and more flexible. It brings together things like artificial intelligence, robotics, the Internet of Things, and big data to create a connected, automated, and optimized production environment. Imagine production lines where machines can talk to each other, make decisions, and even fix themselves when something goes wrong. It's all about combining digital tech with traditional manufacturing to create a smarter and more connected production process, meaning we can produce goods faster, safer, and with fewer mistakes. As this dynamic industry continues to adapt and grow, there are endless opportunities for you to make a difference and drive change. Manufacturers are always looking to do better, asking why and creating sustainable ways of doing things. This could be a good fit for you if you're curious, creative, and ready to challenge the status quo. This sector has high demand for skilled workers and provides competitive salaries and diverse career paths. Manufacturing has it all. Your career in manufacturing could see you working in production and operations, engineering and design, research and development, automation and robotics, health, safety and environmental, quality control and assurance, maintenance and technical services, supply chain and logistics, exports, marketing, sales and customer service, leadership and executive roles, or all of the above. You could start in an entry-level role in manufacturing and use it as a stepping stone into a career in management, engineering, business ownership, or entrepreneurship. The more you learn, the more you earn. So remember to keep upskilling and looking for opportunities to earn qualifications like the New Zealand Certificate in Manufacturing. In this diverse sector, there's a role to suit everyone, and your career in manufacturing will keep growing with you. For more information on careers in manufacturing and more, check out FutureForce Careers Hub at www.futureforce.nz, Waikato's guide to careers in our region, by young people for young people.